Hello guys, welcome back to another video, or welcome if you're brand new here. In today's video I am decluttering and organising my wardrobe. It got a little bit out of hand, so I need to go in and give it a good sort out, as well as giving my bedroom a good clean. So do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave today's video a thumbs up and let's just jump straight into it. So the first thing I wanted to do was show you a quick before so you can see what I'm working with. It's just full of everything that shouldn't be in a wardrobe. So the first thing I need to do is just pull everything out so I can go through it piece by piece and decide what I want to keep and what I want to get rid of, and just try and organise it a little bit better. So I was obviously being really lazy when I took the Christmas decks down, because there was Christmas tinsel and Christmas pictures and things all just shoved at the top of the wardrobe. So I'm going to go and put that with the rest of the Christmas stuff and just try and find a home for everything else that doesn't belong here. So good having the top bit all clear, but now I've just got all of this on the bed that I need to sort out, and I've still got to go in and sort the bottom out. But I want to go ahead and try and sort bit at a time, because I know that I'll just get too overwhelmed and it won't get done. So I'm thinking of just sorting out the top bit first, because I want to put everything that's under the bed at the top there, because Cinnabon now comes upstairs, so he is just going under the bed constantly and chewing all of those boxes. So I want to try and arrange them at the top so they're out the way, and just get rid of some stuff down here that I don't use. Like, I haven't worn these shoes in years, so I don't really know why I've still got them. But yeah, and just try and make it a little bit more organised.
Sitting thinking in my car, I don't know what we should do. Do you? Do you? You're about to lose me. Just like that, just like that. You're about to lose me. Forever's never gone so fast. Just like that, just like that. Forever's never gone so fast. Just like that, just like that. Forever's never gone so fast. It was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16, up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. We got drunk and smoked your dad's cigarettes. Dreamt of a life in a big town, skyscrapers and neon lights. Ooh, I still think of you. Dream of you, but if you hold me close, I won't let go again. We have time to grow. This wasn't a mistake, and we can grow old if you love me again, my friend. This time is different, so please do not let me go.
So even though it's such a small wardrobe to declutter, it definitely takes it out of me, because the bedroom's so small, so there's hardly any room to actually navigate and find what I need to do. But I'm slowly getting there. I've finally got all of the boxes put at the top so Cinnabon can't attack them, and that was the main reason I needed to declutter today, to get those out the way. So now I just need to go in to the bottom and just see what I can get rid of, what I can keep, and just see what I can actually store in a more practical way so I can still get to it easily, but just so it's out the way. So let's just crack on and see how it ends up looking. So here's a little close-up of what it actually looks like in this wardrobe. I haven't actually been in and dusted it and hoovered it since we've moved in, I don't think. So it's definitely in need of a good dust over and a good hoover. So I thought this would be a great opportunity to move stuff out and actually give it a good clean before putting the rest of the clothes back in.
Years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night.
Honestly looks like a completely different wardrobe once it's been cleared out. I've got so much more space to work with, so whenever I need to store anything else, I don't think I'm going to have trouble fitting it in anymore. I do obviously need to put all the clothes back in, but I just wanted to show you before they go back in because I know that that can sort of overshadow everything else. So yeah, I just wanted to show you what it looks like, and I'm just so pleased with how it turned out. I can't believe how much more space I've got here. I've kept that bit just for the extra shoes and stuff, and I just thought I'd try and balance it out by putting that one over there. I know that you won't see it when the doors are closed, but I just wanted to try and even it out a little bit, and yeah, I think it's turned out really well so far. If only putting everything back was actually that quick, but I just love how it all looks now. I've got so much more room. I ended up just putting a few of my shoes up on here out the way because I just don't like seeing them. I don't like seeing clutter. I would much prefer it to just be empty, but obviously I need to have shoes. I've just got a couple of robs down there, and yeah, I've got so much more space along the top. I've got all this floor space back, so if I do need to store anything else, there's just tons and tons more room than I was actually expecting. So I'm so glad I got to this today. But now if I turn you around, I've still got a few bits that I need to sort out. Whiz round and just tidy up the bedroom because it's looking a little bit worse for wear. So once I'd found a home for everything, I just wanted to go around and neaten up the bedroom and just make it look a lot more put together. I'm also going to go in, give it a good dust and hoover, because if you've been here before, you know that I love doing a good dust and hoover. I feel like those things just come as a pair. If you're going to do one, you may as well do the other, and it just makes the room feel so cozy and relaxing. So I'm just going to go around and wipe down all of the surfaces with my Pledge polish and just make everything nice and fresh. I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it's given you some motivation to declutter some areas in your home as well. Do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and I'll see you back here in the next one.
I don't need no one to say